Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nell here today. I know it's been a while since y'all see my face. I know. But I am back because I have some new hair. And honestly, y'all, I just feel like at my big age, with being on YouTube for so long, I feel like I'm just gonna put the videos out that I know for a fact I can actually do and commit to. So we're just gonna stick to hair, go back to our roots. That is what I am used to. So today I am back with another Crochet Plus braid. Wait, crochet, is it crochet? Hold up. We are back today with a Crochet Braids Plus review. What I did do is just went through my comment section, and all I did is just took some of the questions that you guys had, and then I'm going to insert some of those into this video here. Y'all, when I tell you this color is so freaking cute, the color of this hair is called Spice. And I got it in a medium length, although it doesn't look like medium right now, but I will insert some videos before I got the scissors to it. But this is the medium length. It comes with 54 twists per bundle. And the length of the twist is about, like, I want to say 12 to 13 inches. And it comes with the one that I decided to get was the bundle pack. So it does come with 5 packs of hair. And I actually still have hair left over. And this would be my second time wearing this hair. So that just says a lot. This hair is handmade, and I believe that's what gives it its really just realistic look, because when I install this in my hair, people honestly think this is my hair. People actually stop me and they're like, oh my gosh, what's your routine? Your hair is so nice. I'm like, girl, routine? Getting on the website and placing an order. That's my routine. I would say that this is a cross between, like, maybe a little bit of brown, maybe a little bit of Bordeaux when it comes to the highlights. It's like kind of giving 3 different colors in one a little bit if you really stare at it. So I love this color. The cost of this was $179 if you decide to get the medium. And with the discount and everything else that I got, I was able to bring my total down to $150.19. I think I spent like $144 beforehand, so it looks like yesterday's price is not today's price. I want to say this is my second time installing this hair. I actually installed this hair like about, I want to say 2 weeks ago. So what I do is I just take the hair out, take my braids out, I'll wash my hair, decondition, do all that good stuff. And then after that, I'm just gonna reinstall. The best thing that I can say is if you do plan on wearing your install for a while, this means like it's gonna last through washing, things of that nature. Please make sure that you do smaller braids. The smaller the braids, the better your install is gonna be when it comes to longevity. A question that I have is this synthetic hair or is it human hair? I know it looks like human hair, y'all, but it is synthetic hair. Like, I know it's a little hard to believe, but yes, this is synthetic hair. It is water friendly. You can, you know, sleep on this hair, fluff it out in the morning, all of that. It does not tangle. I still don't really, you know, experience tangles. Like, you may get a few that may come on, that may like ravel, you know, with each other, but that's normal with any type of curly hair. Is the hair shiny? I usually don't tend to encounter that with the hair. Even with the last pack that I purchased, it wasn't very shiny to me. But one thing that I can suggest is if you do notice that there is a bit of shine, because some people feel like that kind of gives away the, you know, synthetic look of it, all you have to do is just take your bundles, soak them, you know, a little bit of shampoo. Even if you want to co-wash, that's fine too. I usually don't, because I'm not gonna front, I ain't got time, y'all. But again, if you want to, you can totally wash this hair to reduce some of that shine and dull it. Another question I saw in my comment section was, how do you combat the hair basically tangling and knotting together at the ends? Anytime when you have length, when it comes to like curly styles, it's usually a bit more maintenance because it's a longer length. So that means it's gonna get more, you know, occurrences for it to tangle. So if it is happening like that, what I would suggest is, like, when you are doing your hair at night or where you're like setting it for bed, I would definitely just go ahead and part it. This is exactly what I used to do with my hair, you know, back when I used to wear it out. Probably like 4 big sections, like one here, 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 and then just wrap it up with a scarf. That's the easiest thing I could say. But if you don't mind cutting it off, I know some people are like, why the hell would you cut it off if you're paying for the extra length? I like to wear my hair in different stages. You know, I don't like to just stay to one thing. And honestly, I prefer short hair like this. Like, this is the perfect length for me. Just try snipping it a little bit. It's just like, I don't want to say it's exactly like human hair, but it's kind of reminiscent to it. So obviously, if you take away some of that length, you are going to take away some of the chances of it tangling. Next question, are there any dupes when it comes to this hair? I'm not going front, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all know I like to save coins. That's pretty much how I started my channel, which is doing budget-friendly styles. When it comes to this hair, till this day, okay? Till this day, I have not been able to find a proper dupe, like a dupe that is comparable to this hair. Do they have them available online? Yes. Have I tried them? Yes. I have ordered from one company that was aight, but I did not post anything on the channel because I was just like, I'd rather just keep the comments to myself. I went with another company and I got their hair. I decided I was actually going to do the wig install where I, you know, crochet the hair onto an actual wig cap. Girl, fail. It was a complete fail. When I got the hair, one, I noticed it had like a very strange residue to it, and then the actual weight, it just felt so heavy. But the dupes that I've seen online, they have not been good. Like, it just looked very artificial. Like, oh damn, you could tell she got that out of the pack. But again, you have my blessing to find some dupes. I have not been able to find any comparable dupes, which is clearly why I'm back again, giving my coins away to get a new style. Another question is the hair heavy? No, it's not heavy. It's very lightweight. It's very just airy. So normally I would do a side part, but this time I went for like kind of like a smaller part. And this is exactly what my parting section looks like. Again, I don't think I did too bad of a job there. So this is what it looks like to the side. This is what it looks like to the back. I don't know if you guys need to see the other side too, but this is the other side. There we go. I know that when you're cutting layers into it, it also gives it that really natural appearance, and that's exactly what I did with this hair. It's just very easy to install. It's very easy to maintain. This is still the most expensive crochet hair I have ever purchased. I have no regrets because you can reuse it. You can, you know, rewash it. You can get as many uses out of it as you need to. And if you did want to continue using the hair, I would probably say just order like, you know, just single bundles, maybe like 1 to 2 single bundles, and then just continue to like make sure it looks good in the front. The longer I wear the hair, the more it gets like, does it even get frizzy? I can't even really say it gets frizzy because it doesn't really tangle like that. So in my opinion, the longer that I wear the hair, it just looks way more natural in my opinion, and it just adds to like the beauty of the hair of it looking like it grew out of my scalp. But other than that, is it still worth it? Yes, sis, it is still worth it. I love this hair. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. This is the best crochet hair that I have ever tried, and I think that it's definitely worth the price because it's just worth it. It's good quality. And if you want to see any of those other videos that I had on my first install, I will have those here or here somewhere on this outro screen. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.